Greetings in the name of the Most High Yah. It's King Yediyah, aka King Solomon, striving to stay wise in life and in these markets. And right now I'm in a live trade on GBP so I'm gonna give a little breakdown here of why I took this trade. And I made a couple attempts on this trade before and it didn't work out. So this is like, I think it's my third attempt on this sell on GBP. So let's look at the US dollar chart on the 15 minute. Let's see, hold on here 1 second. All right, so I'ma just put that behind there for a second, out of sight. That was the volume point of control. So on the US dollar, we pull back to this consolidation level right here around R1 at around like R4 as well. We kind of retest. This is the volume point of control on the money zone. The money zone high is right here, that purple line right there. Let me see if I can make this a little bigger. Make sure y'all can see all of that. Right, so that's the money zone right there. It coincides with R2. That's the money zone high, that purple line. This line right here is the volume point of control, the high and the low of the volume point of control of the money zone. And this is the low right here, which coincides with R3, right? So we had like let's see here. We had some rejection here at R5. And this I think here right here, this R2 is, let me see, let me make sure which R2 that is. I believe that's the weekly. No, that's the monthly R2. Yep. All right, so we had some resistance here at monthly R2 and daily Camarilla R5, and also around the money zone high, we had some resistance. Couple of wick rejections here again at R2, broke down. We came back to retest the volume point of control on the money zone, and then we're pushing back up now, trying to attack that money zone high again. So let's see, seeing the strength coming in from the money zone right here. I try to catch this GBP sell. Let's see, let's go over here. Right, so this is the 4-hour chart. So we had some nice wick rejection. Let me make this bigger. Hold on. Right, so we had two nice wick rejections right here. So I'm trying to catch this the return to the lows right here around this level. I had a couple attempts here, like 1, 2, 3. So this is the 4th attempt I'm making on this trade right here. So this will probably, if I catch my target, it'll probably bring me back to like break even on this whole setup here, just a little bit in profit. So I gotta wait to see if this comes back all the way to my target at 1.15013. So I kind of made too much attempts on this trade here. I kind of stopped out too early. Sometimes I was seeing the US dollar pulling back too much, and I was thinking maybe it'll just continue pulling back today, but the strength came in. So I think I'm gonna catch my target today, man, at 1.15013. But now we're getting a little support, a little slowdown as the US dollar runs into that money zone high. And let's see if we break that money zone high, and then we could get the GBP back down to my target. So yeah, that's my little setup. I'm gonna hold this until probably this afternoon. I have a little space to play with to come back to like break even. So let's see how it works out, you know what I'm saying? Let's go down to like a faster time frame to see what's going on. Maybe on the, let's look at the 5 minute, some real quick, some real fast. Let's see. So around here, let me which is yesterday's close, I believe around here at 1.15436. I might considering just closing it out and keeping some profit right there, which kind of coincides with my strategy of if it comes back above lower VWAP, then I'ma just stop out. I could even take a stop out here at like a break above S1. So let me just set some alerts here, and I'm gonna consider what to do when looking at the US dollar and how it coincides with the setup on the GBP USD. So I'm gonna set those two alerts. Let me even set an alert right here for a break above the structure right here, and let's see what happens if we catching a reversal or if we just pulling back a little bit to drop even lower to the lows. So yeah, that's my setup. That's my trade on GBP USD. And today, I mean, this week in Forex has been a good week as well. Start of the month has been good as well. So even though I ate into my profits today with some failed trades, like, let's see, try to take a sell here, try to take a sell, where else, take a sell here, tried here as well, I think another one was here. So all of these kind of got stopped out, man. So I wasn't able to hold. So now we're pushing down. We're taking that rejection off of S2. So this is looking good. This is looking good. Let me go to like a 15-minute chart. Right, so on the 15-minute chart, we're gonna attack S3 right now. Let's see if we might get like a little flush to S3 so you can see that. Let's see what happens here a little bit. How long is this video now? It's like 7 minutes. All right, so maybe I'll give it a little three more minutes, and let's see if something happens here. If we get the break of S3. Volume is looking a little lackluster, but it should be a little higher because we had 7 minutes now into this 15-minute candle, so we should be more than halfway. We should be up here somewhere on this candle for it to look really like selling is coming in, you know. So I will give that volume right there like a B- right now. Plus the trend monitor is looking like it's curving up, so that might be a kind of reversal play happening. We went from dark purple here into light purple, so that's less of a bearish kind of trend right now, and all coinciding with S3, which is a support Camarilla level. So the volume though is the volume at price is actually falling away nicely, so we should flush through this level easily. And price is pushing away from the volume point of control right here, that white dotted line, pushing away from that nicely. We broke through lower VWAP, this green line right here, broke through that real nice. So got this doji candle, a little buying coming in. So this is our reaction right now to this doji candle that form a little support, you know what I'm saying? Right, so we broke S3, probably heading down to my target. All right, so this is what I'm gonna do here. This is approaching my target too good. So this is a lower value, sorry, not lower value, this is a low volume node right there. So I'm gonna take this down to like 149, 50, 51. Right, so this is a low volume node right here. You see it's really low, so this blue line comes across to signify that it's a low volume node. So we should break through that kind of easily. And the way price is looking right now, the US dollar is probably booming right now. So let's see if we could get S4 on this. and that's going to be around 1.14754. So we got some nice selling coming in. The volume is coming in as well. So let's see, I'm gonna trail my stop. I'm gonna bring my stop down to like the top of this candle right here, the top of S2. So put it above S2, Camarilla. Right, so I'll secure to the 4 with that right there, and let's see if we could get to S4. Let's see if we could go into the weekend nice with all green trades, you know what I'm saying? Well, all green days then, you know what I'm saying? If I stop out around now, it'll be like a break even. I'll be a little in profit as well, but it'll be more of like to me, like a break even, you know? For all this effort that I did with these cells before, I don't want to just take a little profit over what I lost, you know? Let me just get to S4. Looks like we're going to break yesterday's low, which was 1.14986. So yeah, this trade is looking good. All right, let me don't get caught up, man. I got to go to work. So I'm going to leave y'all with this. Ending up in a profitable trade. Move my stop into take profit. Move my take profit into take profit. Into profit, right? So above S2 right here. It's a little tricky, man. Kind of confusing myself. So yeah, man, all in all, it's a good week in Forex. It was a good week in stocks. So I'll be back next week, man, to drop some more videos. I might be working a lot next week as well, so let's see how it goes. Alright, y'all, it's King Yedaya, aka King Solomon, striving to stay wise in life and in these markets. Y'all enjoy your weekend and trade safe and stay blessed.